Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website for bread and breakfast business. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. And the reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and also you can get started for completely free. All you'll need is your email address, and from there you can sign up. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. So once you have created your account on Wix, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you will be redirected to a new page, and you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, I want you to tap on Set Up Without AI, as by doing this, you'll have full authority to customize your website to your liking. Now, once you're on this page, all you'll need to do is type in bed and breakfast, so you can see it right there, and you're going to tap on Next. After selecting Next, you can now enter your website name. For example, I'll just call this Test, and you're going to tap on Next. And from here, you can see some plugins that will be added to your website. So for example, you will get the Wix Hotels plugin, which will allow you to manage and grow your hospitality business. You will also get the chat plugin, which will allow you to correspond with your customers. And if there's anything else that you would like to add, for example, if you would like to collect your customer's email address by creating a pop-up form, you can do that right there. If it is a case that you would like to add your Instagram feed, you can simply tap on that to add your Instagram feed. And also, if you would like to add booking, you can tap on bookings right there. But people will be able to schedule when they would like to come and use your bed and breakfast business with the Wix Hotel feature. So you don't have to worry about that. And you can scroll down if you would like to add a blog to your website. You can also tap on blog. Next, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Then I want you to tap on Go to Dashboard, as we are going to be setting up our dashboard first, and then I will show you how to set up the appearance of your website. By going to your dashboard, you'll be able to set up the different payment methods, and you can also set up the fees that you will be charging persons to use your bed and breakfast services. So you can see right here, add your first room type. You can tap right here to set it up, or you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you could hover over property setup. Then from there, you can see property settings, room types. So we're going to tap on room types right here. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to tap on Start Now. After selecting Start Now, you're going to see a pop-up as we're going to be installing this app, and you'll tap on Agree and Add. Once it has been added, I'll be showing you what to do next. Then you're going to tap on Go to Dashboard. Once on this page, right where you see property type, you're going to tap right there, select bed and breakfast, and then tap on Save page. And what I want you to do next is right where you see complete your business info, you can tap on Let's Go. And from there, you're going to complete your business sign up. So you're going to be adding some basic information. For example, you can edit the name of your business. You can also add a cover image. So for example, you could upload an image of your bed and breakfast place, and then you can scroll down, add a quick description, and you can also add your location, as you can see right there, by adding in your address and so on. By doing this, Wix will add a Google Maps that your potential clients can use to find your address. Once you have done that, you can go back. So you're going to go back real quick after you have filled out that information. So let's do that real quick. And we want to continue with our setup. So let me go back. Selecting room types, you're going to tap on create room type. And from here, you can tap on the kind of room and whether it is an apartment, a bungalow, a business room, classic room, you can select whichever one of these options best describes the rooms that you're offering. Then you will tap on next. From here, you can type in the display name. So I'll simply type in B&B. Let's do that real quick. Then you can add the capacity, whether it can hold up to 2 persons, 3 persons. You can type it in right here. And also how many children can they include, or if they cannot include any. Then you'll tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After doing this, you can now set your base price per night. So let's say, for example, my base price per night is $100. Then you can see the price calculation for one guest. You can adjust this to your liking. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next once more. And then you can now add the amenities that your property offers. For example, garden view. You can also tap on the different amenities as you can see right there. Then tap on next. And from here, you can upload photos of your property by simply tapping on add photo. After you have selected add photo, you could tap on upload media and you can upload some images of the property that you're adding to our website. So let's say, for example, I were to type in, just for example sake, house right here, as I'm going to be using one of the copyright free images from Wix. So you can see right here, and all you'll need to do is simply tap on the image that you would like to add. Then tap on add to page. And you can add numerous images. Then you'll tap on complete setup and you can see it right here. So you can see the listing right there. Then we'll tap on save. Once you see this pop up, you can scroll down and right where you see start selling this room, you can select the start date right there. So let's say, for example, we'll start the 9th of January and you can see right there, choose the bookable dates. So you can choose right there and then you can choose to the 31st. That's what I'll be doing. Then tap on save. Then tap on save once more in the top right hand corner. And you can see that I've successfully created a room type. If you would also like to set up your taxes and so on, or if you'd like to offer promotion codes, you can do that by going over to the left hand menu option and selecting it. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and right where you see property management. From there, you will be able to view reservations. So for example, if I were to tap on reservations right here, from here, you'll be able to view when persons have booked a reservation. And another thing that I would like you to do, go over to the left hand menu option, select billing and payments, and you're going to tap on payments, as this will allow you to offer different payment options to your clients. So you're going to tap on manage payment methods. By selecting manage payment methods, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. For example, at the moment you can see I can offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location to, for example, United States or United Kingdom, you can see that I'm offered a different set of payment options, as you can see right here. By selecting a different location, I can now offer Wix payments, which will allow me to accept Apple Pay and Google Pay. So it all depends on the country you're located in. And for even more payment options, you could tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. And you can now see I can accept AAA, Afterpay, Affirm, and so much more. But keep in mind, to accept online payments on Wix, you will need to go onto one of their paid plans. But their paid plans are quite affordable, as it starts off at $17 per month. Now, after you're finished, you're going to go back over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. Then I want you to tap on Design Site. After selecting Design Site, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can see some stunning themes that Wix recommend. And this is one of the major standout features of Wix compared to other website builders. As these themes, you'll be able to create a stunning and very professional looking and operational website, even as a complete beginner. So you can see it right here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use this one. All I would need to do is tap on Edit. This page, you could tap on the box right here and enter some information. And by tapping on Generate Site Text, the Wix AI will compose articles that will be added to your website. After you're finished, or if you don't want to do that at the moment, you can simply tap on the X to close the pop-up. Then I want you to tap on the 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks, as you can see right here. So persons will be able to book their date by simply entering it right here. Then they can tap on search and they'll be able to search for the different room types. You can also edit these sections by simply tapping on them. And by tapping on it, you can edit the text, as you can see right there. It is quite easy to customize your Wix website. All you have to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit and you can get started. That's basically it. All you have to do is hover over it with your mouse and you can get started. As you can realize, with each section, once I hover over it or tap on it, you will see the option Quick Edit. And by tapping on Quick Edit, you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column, which will allow me to change the site text and images for that particular section. As I was saying earlier when I started this tutorial, Wix is very beginner friendly. So even if this is your first time creating a website, you will be able to do that easily using Wix. All you have to do is hover over the section that you would like to edit and tap on Quick Edit, and that's it. And if it is a case that you would like to add text or an image to a section that you don't see text, you can simply tap on the plus in the top left hand corner which says Add Elements. From there, you can drag the text box to wherever you want. You can also add images, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add to your Wix website. You will find it by tapping on Add Elements, as you can see right here. After you're finished doing that, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see Home. You're going to tap right there. By doing that, you'll be able to view all of the pages that are currently on your website. So for example, let's say we were to select Book a Room page. You'll be able to view that page, so you can see it right here. And this is the page that your clients or potential clients will see to book a room. So you can see the listing that we had created earlier. That is the listing right there. And you can add more listings if you want. After you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And then you'll tap on Publish and your website will now be live. And you can start making some money from your BNB business. It is as easy as that to create a BNB business website using Wix. So you can see it right here. I had tapped on Preview, so you can see it. And our clients can simply tap on the image. After they have tapped on the image, as you can see right there, it will zoom in so they can get a better view. And then they can close it. And if they would like to search for dates, they could tap on Search Dates right there to search for a booking. They can also contact us for more information by tapping on Contact. As you can see right there, you'll find our email address and phone number. And that's it. If they want to purchase or pay for a booking, they can enter their information right here, choose the date, then tap on Continue. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.